People don't know the consequences. You can take a picture of yourself and it could go around to every single guy in the school.
I want him to like me more. He kept asking for pictures of me. He kept saying, well, nobody will find out. You won't get in trouble for it.
When the pictures were getting taken, I never thought they would end up on the internet.
They were trying to charge me as a sex offender because I had sent the picture and I had sent it to another friend.
Every person has experienced saying something or doing something where we thought, I really shouldn't have done that. Sometimes we can fix that. If it's something where we said something to a friend, we know we shouldn't have said it, we can go back, we can apologize. Sexting is different. Once it's sent, we can't take it back. We can't apologize. We can't take back the damage that's done once that picture of us is out there.